Morning guys, Lewis here from hairforall.com. So I wanted to give an additional video onto my other videos, just giving an insight on what it's like to sort of live with a hair system in terms of sweating, because I know a lot of people think, you know, if you've got a system on your head, what's it going to be like if you're sweating? And especially for me, I go to the gym pretty much every day. Standard turnaround sort of time of about an hour's workout, which naturally is basically going to give you a pretty much heavy sweat session, which naturally you think to yourself, well, is the system going to slide off, or is there going to be a problem? Are you going to notice it in my hairline or anything like that? The answer is absolutely not. You know, living with a hair system, you live as if you would with your normal hair. The actual system is made out of a lace, so essentially your sweat glands can still breathe through the actual hair, and the super adhesive glue is not affected by sweat. The only thing I would probably not recommend is heavy use of saunas, jacuzzis and steam rooms, solely for the fact that you just don't want to basically give the actual system too much unneeded sweating. But I certainly wouldn't discard doing normal day-to-day life. And again, you know, I go on holiday quite often. I'm often abroad in high temperatures. And, you know, when I'm over there, there's no concern for me going, one, in the pool, or secondly, if I'm sweating, it doesn't really cause any effect to it. The only thing I would say is normally probably at the end of a sort of 3-week turnaround, 3 to 4 weeks, I would then probably recommend just a booking for a regroom or get it basically reattached, because naturally, if you're going to be sweating for a high period of time, the glue is going to start weakening. But other than that, it is absolutely easy to maintain. And just basically at the end of the day, if you're sweating and the glue's starting it feels like it's weakening, just don't be there sort of brushing through it, because naturally you're going to be lifting the bond of the actual system from the scalp. But other than that, I certainly wouldn't sort of be conscious of the fact that if you're sweating that you're going to lose that bond there, because it's absolutely fine. But any questions, please contact hairforall.com and we'll be happy to help. Thanks.
Hey guys, thanks for watching the video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe below, and have a good look around our website at hairforall.com.